Hi, my name's Kirsty Burchill, also known as Kaybee. I'm a Gubbi Gurung and Gugu woman from Mossman, Far North Queensland. I've been doing music since I was a child, professionally since I was 16. I'm now 29. I work in Indigenous communities. I am an Indigenous woman, and I love building capacity of all my Indigenous people, especially women. So the two songs that I've written and recorded today are about empowerment and also mental health. So Silence is about suicide, and a lot of people in our Indigenous communities have committed suicide over the last 10 plus years. So I decided to write a song about it to, more empower our people to speak up about how they're feeling. And that they're not alone in that space. And I've also written the other song, Flaws, for the women of the world, and I wrote it more for myself, with self-love. I think a lot of people have come into situations where they walk out feeling like crap, because someone's made them feel like crap because of the way that they look. So, we all have flaws, and I believe we should all love them, and that's to all women of the world. Yeah.
Silence is deafening. I don't even know what hit me first, the darkness or its reckoning. Never really knew which one was worse, but you see what I don't, and I feel what you want. If the walls could talk, it would tell you a story. If my mind could speak, it would tell you it for me. If my tears had stopped, it would dry up the ocean. Like a roller coaster, I feel every motion. There's a light at the end of it. That's what people say when they don't know how to take away the pain that you feel. Just know that it's real. If the walls could talk, it would tell you a story. If my mind could speak, it would tell you it for me. If my tears had stopped, it would dry up the ocean. Like a roller coaster, I feel every motion. If the walls could talk, it would tell you a story. If my mind could speak, it would tell you it for me. If my tears had stopped, it would dry up the ocean. Like a roller coaster, I feel every motion. Bet you haven't seen me naked yet, but you so bold with all your bullish look at her over there. She don't even look like all the pics she got on Instagram. Is it so what? Everybody wears a little makeup. It's the lighting, it's the angle. What you got so different other girls don't bring to the table? It's my secret, but I'll tell you. I got flaws and I love them. I don't really care if you don't. I got flaws and I feel them. Don't care, you feel nothing at all. From my hips to my thighs, to my head to my eyes, I don't really care about it all. From my height to my skin, to the clothes I fit in, we already know we got flaws. We got flaws, we got flaws. We already know we got flaws. You point out all my insecurities. Do you know that that's the best part of me? Like, she's too big, can't you see? Wouldn't even make it on the cover of a magazine. Pretty face, nice smile. Always wearing gym clothes, does she even got a style? It's my secret, but I'll tell you. I got flaws and I love them. I don't really care if you don't. I got flaws and I feel them. Don't care, you feel nothing at all. From my hips to my thighs, to my head to my eyes, I don't really care about it all. From my height to my skin, to the clothes I fit in, we already know we got flaws. We got flaws, we got flaws. We already know we got flaws. We got flaws, we got flaws. Everybody knows we got flaws.